welcome to Home Cleaning Pro Module 2. How to clean a kitchen. Our order for the kitchen will be high dusting, outside of cabinets, inside of the microwave, outside of all appliances, cooktop, counters, sink, then trash. So let's get started. First, set your tray on the counter and turn on the light. Remember, doing the same thing every time saves time. Starting on the far left side of the kitchen, extend the high duster and run it along the outline of the kitchen ceiling, where the ceiling meets the wall, moving along to the far right side. Remember, our goal is to get all the dirt to the floor so we can vacuum and mop it up. When dusting, always move from left to right to middle and top to bottom. Pay special attention to cobwebs, corners, and the line from the floor to the ceiling where the walls meet one another. Use the high duster to dust ceiling vents, can lights, ceiling fans, and chandeliers. Check the ceiling for cobwebs as well, and turn the high duster brush flat toward the ceiling to brush them down. Starting on either the far left or the far right side of the kitchen, spray all-purpose cleaner on the cabinets and wipe them clean. Work your way around to the other far side of the kitchen, always cleaning the kitchen cabinets from top to bottom. Don't forget to wipe the top, sides, and bottom of the cabinet doors as well as the handles. Sometimes food, fingerprints, or other materials are stuck to the cabinets and may require extra attention in order to remove. Never leave food or other materials stuck to the cabinets. If you can't reach the top of the cabinets, use a stepladder to clean the unreachable areas. Remember, we always work from